If you're looking for a more relaxing stay while visiting Penang, Malaysia, this beachside spot was the perfect escape. In this video, I'll give you a quick tour of the hotel, take you for a walk along the coast, and share what we thought about this area as a base. Hey there, and welcome back to Travel with Coconut Joe. After leaving Langkawi behind, we headed to Penang, and let's just say our first impression of the hotel was better than expected. Check-in was quick and easy, and the staff couldn't have been more welcoming. They even greeted us with a refreshing welcome drink, something they seemed to offer with a smile every time we walked through the lobby. Alright, let's check out the room. First impressions, well, nice and clean, 2 beds pushed together. But what a stunning coastal view, with mountains in the distance. Unfortunately, there was no balcony. As far as the bathroom goes, there's a see-through glass. But if that's a little too open for your taste, don't worry, there are blinds for privacy. At this Hompton by the Sea hotel, you can enjoy a stunning infinity pool with great water views. You'll also find a steam room to unwind in, and a well-equipped workout room, if you're feeling motivated. Pretty. The beach access? Well, let's just say the stairs weren't the highlight.
Like it's right at the end of the stairs.
I know, this is kind of a random way to get for the beach. But there it is. There's colors. Now that we've seen the hotel, let's explore the area. Just across the parking lot, there's a super convenient hawker center. Perfect for grabbing a quick, delicious meal. Know your table number and bring napkins. One of the great things about staying here is how quickly you can go from delicious street food to peaceful beach views. But one thing I noticed is all the shells, and sandals were a must. The next day we carried on with our adventure and came across some interesting sights along the way. We discovered a few more hidden gems that made the walk even more memorable. Jimmy is in search of coffee, so here we go. Next, our coffee search led us to Strait Quay, a charming marina with shops, cafes, and restaurants right on the water. It was the perfect spot for a little window shopping, a grocery run, and just soaking up the relaxed vibe. Jimmy?
Yeah, sure.
Where are you right now?
I'm at the Hompton.
Do you like the
Oh,
Hompton?
good heavens.
Are you enjoying your stay?
Absolutely.
In conclusion, the Hompton by the beach, although could use some updates, was of good value. We paid $75 US per night and enjoyed our stay. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.